Mine is the green one in pieces. The back wheel's off of it. Shit, that's bright. The chain tensioner on it is broken, so I took it off. Like it got completely like so wrecked. It was insane. Alright. Second gear wheel. Ah. Ah, yeah. That doesn't work, that doesn't work, and that doesn't work. Oh, and there's my motocross helmet. Yee. Matches my 250. See, it's got my name and number on the back. My goggles there. What are you looking at, bitch? Oh shit. They live right there. I don't fucking know. I don't know my neighbors. And I don't give a wheelie. Damn. These tires need air. Really badly. Like, look at this. Oh yeah. And this thing is supposed to be here. But yeah, she fucked it up. So it's supposed to be here. It's supposed to be down in there. But there's dirt there. So she can't. Ooh. Cool. Shit. What? There's so much. How am I supposed to carry all of this? Oh, duh. Hold it back, you dumbass. No. Very bad idea to try and do a one-handed wheelie. Getting it up one-handed. Boom. Like it just doesn't work. Much like the kickstand on this thing. Doesn't work. Garage door. Yeah, my ass talks to me. This little thing, security thing. I really just want to walk out of my garage and just go on that, but well, a couple things. Transmission there, destroyed. And yeah, I'm not gonna fix it. I'm gonna sell it to get a 250. I got a 250 dual sport. And also, this is supposed to be wrapped around inside there. Fucking, my friend fucking tried to start it and just, because I showed him, I was like, hey, this is what it does when I try and start it, because the transmission, it goes, and he goes, oh, let me try, you're not pulling hard enough. Pulls it out, and I'm like, fuck you. So, that's what happened with that. But, yeah. deck. The dog keeps going under there and eating the mulch. And we have stuff under there that we don't want people to see. Ooh, I hit my car. Oh no. That felt good until I went over. Oh. God, that was a good one. Then I went into it. Scratch that to shit. Oh, look, a hot air balloon. Every time I look down there, I can't see. Because my dumb ass doesn't have a tinted visor. I have sunglasses, but that's not the same thing. Like, at all. Shit. Ow. Yeah, look at that. Needs air in the tires. What is this? I keep seeing this. Why do people... Why do people put this... I think they put the rocks in there to keep the bag from flying away. Nobody actually calls them. Like, you don't want your fucking rocks, dude. It's a pretty good one. Whoopsie. How bad? I'll put it back. Oh! Yeah. Holy shit! What the hell happened? What the fuck happened? My poor basketball. And also, I keep forgetting that my stupid GoPro camera it's the GoPro Hero, the first one, like the very first GoPro. But it's the GoPro Hero LCD, like the one with the screen on it. So whenever I see the sun, there's a fucking big black dot in the middle of it, like a fucking eclipse. What the fuck is that? Like GoPro, fix you. It might be my camera or something. I did do it.